just called it a typhoon.
It's a typhoon? What is a typhoon?
That's Hurricane's last name.
Oh, so it's Hurricane Typhoon Tornado? No, it's Hurricane Tornado Typhoon?
No, it's Hurricane. No, it's Typhoon.
Oh, Hurricane Typhoon, that's their last name?
Yes.
Oh. So so a hurricane got a full name, huh?
Because look with the tornado. Because the tornado's about to form.
Uh-huh.
So be prepared. It's about to get a little bit messy.
It's about to get a little bit messy?
Yes.
Or a lot?
Yes, it's about. Because why this tornado come at our world?
Who world?
I hear everybody screaming.
Who world are you talking about?
Our world.
It's our world.
Because look at the damage this thing is taking. It's trying to destroy our house. Come on, let's get out of here. Let's get out the car.
Go ahead. You can go ahead and get out.